Hi everyone, welcome back to Mold Mayhem. When you mention the Fantastic Four, the first thing that comes to mind is the superpowered quartet themselves. But one of the greatest and most memorable supporting characters to ever appear in their series is the Silver Surfer. His appearance always signals a cosmic-level event. Today, let's challenge my painting skills to recreate his unique metallic look. With a statue blank that's already in a ready state like this, the real challenge isn't in the prep work, but in recreating his unique metallic appearance. To begin, I'll apply a dark base coat to the space portal and the surfboard. This is a crucial step, as this dark foundation will help create depth and make the metallic colors we paint later on really pop and look more vibrant. Once the base coat is dry, we'll start to render the space portal. I'll use two main colors, blue and purple, applying them layer by layer to create the effect of light streaks radiating from the center. This is a very time-consuming stage, but it's essential for making the portal look deep and full of energy. With the space portal now having depth, the first thing to do is to carefully mask the finished areas to protect them. As soon as everything is secure, we'll move on to the detail that defines the Silver Surfer's name, the surfboard. Capturing the signature metallic silver color is critically important, and I'll use multiple layers of metallic paint to create a shiny, reflective surface, as if it were made from a real alien metal. The surfboard is shimmering, it's time for our main character. Similar to the previous steps, I'll first apply a dark base coat over his entire body. This undercoat is the secret to the final metallic effect, helping the Silver Surfer's silver skin have more depth and look more realistic. With the dark base ready, I'll apply the layers of metallic silver on top. And to create a connection with the space portal, I'll use a touch of purple to subtly accent the dark crevices, making the muscle groups pop. And now it's time to create the most special highlight, a custom detail to make this version truly unique. An arm completely enveloped in cosmic energy. I will paint streams of blue and purple energy, interspersed with searing hot lightning bolts over the translucent arm. This is the unique finishing touch that captures the moment the Silver Surfer is channeling his maximum power cosmic. I'll check over the entire piece one last time. Any small missing details will be corrected, and I'll add the finishing touches to the eyes to express the Silver Surfer's tragic soul. Let's admire the final result right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to suggest which character you'd like to see me work on next. If you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications on future videos. Goodbye and see you in the next one.